Every one of us are very much aware of the climate crisis with global warming. It is very easy to get depressed and feel negative about it, but we've got to do something. So I'm Ian Skilling, I'm the course leader for Natural History at the University of South Wales. I think it is more important than ever to study natural history. At USW, our graduates can really help with biodiversity loss by working for NGOs and conservation organisations. They will come out at the end of the course hopefully being able to identify common British flowers, birds, fungi, mammals, insects, reptiles, so they'll have a really good knowledge of UK natural history. A typical USW natural history student could find themselves on the side of a volcano in Iceland or tracking elephants at night in South Africa, watching whales off the Spanish coast. They could be looking at seals in Pembrokeshire. South Wales is a perfect place to study natural history and conservation because we've got a huge range of different habitats very close to the university. We've got the mountains of the Brecon Beacons, we've also got the coastline of the Bristol Channel, so rarely do we have to drive more than an hour to get to some fantastic habitats. We're the only university that offers a BSc in natural history, so there's nowhere else to go really.